Hello, today we will guide you through how to download file from Sejda PDF Editor. To begin, open your browser and go to the Sejda website. Sejda is an online tool that helps with a variety of PDF tasks, so this is where the full process starts. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that the page has finished loading before moving ahead. Next, look to the top left area of the page and click on All Tools. This section gives you access to the different PDF features available in Sejda. After opening that menu, find and click on Edit. This will take you to the PDF editor area where you can work with the file you want to prepare for download. When the editor page opens, click on the option to upload a file, then browse your device and choose the sample PDF you want to use. After selecting the file, wait for it to finish loading into Sejda. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a few moments. It is a good idea to make sure the document is fully loaded before continuing, so the next actions work smoothly. Once your PDF is open, go back and click on All Tools again. This time, from the available options, choose Protect. This tool is used to secure the PDF by adding password protection. After the Protect page opens, enter a sample password in the password field. For privacy and security, be sure to use your own password and keep it somewhere safe if you need to access the protected file later. After entering the password, click on Encrypt PDF. Sejda will then process the document and apply the protection settings. Give it a moment to complete this step. You may see a results page or a confirmation area once the encryption finishes. Finally, look for the Download button and click it to save the file to your device. This will download the newly protected PDF version to your computer. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location that is easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, so you can find it quickly afterward. That's the full process for downloading a file from Sejda PDF Editor after applying protection. If needed, you can open the downloaded file to confirm it saved correctly and that the password protection was applied as expected.